Fujian Xinyu Machinery Development Company, Limited fully automatic pop-up tissue paper machine production line. The jumbo roll paper is embossing and folding into facial tissue by folding machine. Then the transfer system sends these into the facial tissue log saw cutting machine, then cutting into smaller width facial tissue. After cutting, the facial tissue paper go into automatic single packing machine. This machine can automatically make date marking and easy tear notches, and pack facial tissue into small size packs. The whole process is fully automatic, high efficiency, greatly saving labor cost. The finished products are neat, uniform and nice.